Hello there, it's Kryodawg here, doing an unboxing video for the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. This has a low maintenance model and it has a visible cool mist. Bought this for the reason of waking up in the morning and just feeling kind of dry. And it's kind of it's not a good feeling, but I'm hoping this will solve that problem. It doesn't use any filters. It's easy to clean, up to 50% quieter. And it doesn't say compared to what, so I'm expecting it to be relatively quiet. It has a variable humidity control, so this knob right here you can adjust the humidity level that you want in the room. And it says here this is for a medium room and it has up to 30 hours of operation, and it's 1.2 gallon capacity, and it also includes a sample vapo-pad that you can use with this particular model to add a scent in the air that's supposed to open light nasal passages, make it easier to breathe. And this is also good for coughing and congestion, to relieve those types of symptoms and for a better night's sleep. So let's open this up. This also comes with a $3 off manufacturer's coupon. So I may send that in. And this one here was right at 40 bucks, I believe, $39.99, and I purchased it at Walmart as well. So let's get into the box. Let's see if I can pry this open. It doesn't seem to want to come out. Maybe this is, yeah, that's it. Box is a little difficult to get open. So we have just your information packet with some coupons for $1.50, $1 off, and 75 cents off different Vicks products. One is for humidifier or vaporizer, a Vicks humidifier vaporizer. One is for Fever Insight digital thermometer, and one is for a vapo-pad. So depending on how the vapo-pad sample works out, I may use that coupon to get some more. And then here's the simple vapo-pad. It's a cool mint. Can't smell it through the package, but I'm sure it smells medicine-y. And then we have the pamphlet that shows how to clean it, how it works, how to set it up, and all that good stuff. So this is the actual humidifier. Move the box out of the way. It's got a pretty long cord, I'd say about 3, maybe 4 feet long. Let's open this puppy up. Turn it upside down. And use my knife here to just slice open the bag. That's going to be hard. Okay, there we go. So this is a 1.2 gallon capacity tank. I'm assuming this is where the steam comes out. It just kind of spins around and comes off. So you just remove this, fill it up with water in this hole, put the lid back on. It says to only use cold water, not to use hot or warm water. And Then you place it back on the base, and you are good to go. It also has a night light on the control knob here. It needs to be about 6 inches from any wall that you're where you're placing it, and this directional mist needs to be pointed away from walls so that it does not cause mold problems or wet walls and can damage the walls, especially if it's sheetrock. And the vapo-pads that you're supposed to use for this, I think it's the VSP 19 series, and you can also use the VBR 5 series or VP 6 series. So a nice cool little clear blue color to it. The plastic feels pretty solid. Really easy to put back together. I don't think that locks in place. I think it just sits in there. You can adjust the direction of the mist. And then this is the actual base itself. It's got some kind of code there. I'm not sure what that's about. It's for questions and support information. And there is your humidity control lever. Really easy to turn. And then this is where the vapo-pad would go. So I'll be trying this out tonight, and hopefully be able to get a better night's sleep, and may provide a review video afterwards to let everyone know exactly how good it is. So let's just put this in. I believe it has a certain way it has to go on there, and put a little notch there. I'm assuming it goes back there. Oh. There we go. So once again, it's the Vicks, what's it called? I forgot the name. Vicks filter free cool mist humidifier. Again, about 40 bucks at Walmart, 30-40 bucks, and I'll let you know how it works. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do that. It's youtube.com/kryodawg, and there is a link in my description of every one of my videos that you can click on to subscribe to my channel as well.